Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Oh Give Thanks, and that is by Reverend Charles Nix. And guys, we are in the key of D flat. I want to get this in before Thanksgiving so you guys can have something to play for Thanksgiving. All right, guys, you know what? This song was actually requested by Vernon Hughes. Thank you so much, Vernon, for this awesome request. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. All right, guys, let's get it. We're in the key of D flat. That's D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, and D flat. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, let's go ahead and stretch our knuckles, crack them. Let's wiggle them and get all the nerves out. And let's receive this awesome song, Oh Give Thanks. That was Reverend Charles Nix with Oh Give Thanks. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting out with Oh Give Thanks to the Let me just stop right there. We're going to give you that. So we're starting out with O. We're playing a D flat major chord. Give. We're playing an E flat minor chord. Thanks. We're playing a D flat major chord. And we're starting on our 1. Our bass walk is this beautiful bass walk that is in most gospel songs. All you're doing is you're going 1, 3, 5, 6, 1. And you just repeat 1, 3, 5, 6, 1. Now, when you get to that 6, you can hit your G flat major chord. So you go. You feel that? Now that's gospel right there, right? All right, so we're going. Oh, give thanks to the all I'm doing is I'm going. This is your next chord. This is a B6 chord. And we're doing that same walk. All right, wet change. So when we go to that 1, we're playing this E6 chord. And we're just walking up to 3 flat, 3, and then we're going to our 4, and we're playing this G flat dominant 7 chord. We have a new bass walk. We got 4, 6, 1, 2, and we just start over. 4, 6, 1, 2. So when you get to the 2, you can hit this chord. This is an E flat minor chord, and then just do it again. All right, so that's the next part. We're going to the 3. That's a D flat major chord. Going to the 4. And you got your G flat major chord. 5 flat, E diminished 7 chord. Going to the 5, regular D flat major chord. And then we can do this nice turnaround chord. This is a C 7 flat 5 on the 5. Then we just start over. Oh, give thanks to the Lord. All right, what did I do? So we're going O, D flat major chord, give, E flat minor chord, D flat major chord on the 1. We're doing our nice bass walk again. 2, right there on the 5, we're playing our D flat major chord. Going to the 6, we're playing our E flat minor chord. Going to the 1, we're playing our E flat minor chord that's higher. Then we're going to our 3, and that's on the D flat major chord. Going to the 5. Here's our transition right here. This is our E flat diminished 7 chord, and we're on the 3. And then we're going to our 6, and we're playing this beautiful chord here. This is a D flat 6 chord. We're just gonna walk up 7, 1. Then right here on the 2, we're playing our E flat dominant 7 chord. Now we have a new bass walk. All right, what is that? We're playing 2, 5 flat, 6, 7, 2, 5 flat, 6, 7, 5. We're changing up our chord. We're on our A flat major chord on the 5. Now we're just gonna walk down. All right, what is that? 5, 5, 4, 4, 3 flat, 2, 2, and then we're going back to the beginning. All this is the same as beginning. It changes up right here. All right, what is that? So we're gonna walk up with our 3 D flat major chord, go up to our 4 G flat major chord, go up to our 5 flat E diminished 7 chord. Now we're going to our 5 D flat major chord. Now we're doing this nice transition. All right, what is that? On the 1, we're playing a D flat dominant 7. Going to our 7, that's a C dominant 7. Going to our 7 flat, that's a B dominant 7. Going to our 6, that's a B flat dominant 7. Then we're going to our 2. All right, let me give you that. We're going 2. We're playing our G diminished 7 chord, walking up 3, 4, 5 flat, and then we're hitting our 5. You kind of hit the 5 and you get off of it, right? But right there, we're playing our A flat dominant 7 chord. And then we hit our 1, that's a D flat major chord. Their turnaround is. All right, what is that? So we're going 1, we're playing a D flat major chord, 7 flat, 5, 5 flat, going to our G dominant 7 on the 4, and then we're walking up 6, 7 flat, 7, 1, and we're playing our D flat major chord. They're doing this gospel walk up. All right, what is that? 3, we're playing our D flat major chord. Then we're going to our 4, we're playing our G flat major chord. Going to our E diminished 7 chord on the 5 flat. And then we're going to our D flat major chord on the 5. And then we're playing this big chord here. It's like a C augmented chord. And then we go to the 1. Guys, I hope this was a blessing for you. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt you. I know things are getting good, but before we continue, come join our growing Numerical Melodies community on Facebook. I'm sharing all the songs I love to hear and play, and I hope you will too. Go check it out. And now, back to our lesson. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is the Leaf Raking Olympics. When I was young, my brother, my cousin, and I had an annual tradition that felt more like an adventure than a chore. Every fall, without fail, we'd head over to our grandparents' house armed with rakes that were almost as tall as we were. Their yard had leaves everywhere, front yard, backyard, side yard. Like God himself had decided to bless them with extra trees just for us. But we didn't mind. Raking was our way of saying thank you for all the ways our grandparents spoiled us. Every snack, every hug, every story told by the old rocking chair. From morning until the sun dipped low, we worked with our hearts full of love and just a little competition. Somewhere between the blisters and the bending, we invented our own game, the Leaf Raking Olympics. We'd rake the biggest piles we could manage, step back like engineers admiring our masterpiece, and then take off running. One by one, we'd hurl ourselves into the pile like it was the world's softest swimming pool. Leaves flew everywhere, and so did our laughter. And of course, the competition didn't stop there. We kept score of who could build the biggest leaf mountain. Bragging rights included, of course. Looking back, those moments weren't just fun, they were magic. The kind that sticks with you long after the leaves are gone. The sweetest memories are often hidden inside the simplest moments. When love is the motive, even hard work becomes joy, and ordinary days becomes treasures. Awesome job. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and joining me and working with me on today. And again, Vernon, thank you so much for that awesome song. Please request more. Guys, you know what? This is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to. Yep, I heard you say it. 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. And of course, this cannot be done without you. So if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. We have a bell. I would love it if you could hit that bell because the video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. You know what, guys? I believe it takes 3 seconds to hit that bell. I believe you can hit it in 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it and you just hit the bell. Guys, you have just made my day, and you're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.